Good morning, guys. Currently brushing my teeth. It is like 11:30. I've been watching Orange is the New Black, the new season. So good. If you haven't watched it, you have to watch it. But I'm so out of breath. Why am I breath? I just ran up the stairs to get my camera. But we're going to this really cool restaurant that I'm going to film and show you guys. But I'm going to get ready first because if you can't tell, my hair is crazy. So this is not usual. I usually don't ever do my hair. You're going to see me do my hair and I'm going to brush my teeth. So let's get the day started. Okay, now it's time to do my hair. I always straighten and curl my hair differently literally every single time I do it, but today it's very frizzy. I need to go get my brush. I slept on it without brushing it last night, so it's super frizzy and tangled, so I had to split it up into parts because it's too thick to straighten. My hair straightens like instantly, which is really nice. Look at the difference. I usually never straighten my hair either because it's usually pinned straight, but since I slept on it and didn't brush it and took a shower last night, it got all crazy. But usually it's like this straight naturally, which is really nice. Always easy to manage. And I'm using the it's Hot Tools. I got this like 6 years ago, probably when I was like in 8th grade. Probably that's way more than 6 years. That's like 9 years. Still working great. Still love it. Now it is all straight. It takes me like literally 5 minutes to do my hair. Well, less than that, like 20 minutes, not 22 minutes.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this to the open.